everybody. This is my memoir pitch for this class. My name is Camille Carrillo. What is my memoir going to be about? Have you ever been stung by a jellyfish? Well, I have, and it changed the direction of my life forever. This story is about the time I got stung by a jellyfish in Florida and became obsessed with all the strange creatures that emerge from our oceans. I was stung on a Fort Lauderdale beach years and years ago on vacation with my mother and older brother, who you can see in the picture moments before I was stung. While I don't have any videos of the encounter, I have a lot of pictures from before, moments before, and of course the memories of everybody who witnessed it. While being stung was painful, embarrassing, and a little scary, it genuinely changed the way I look at the world around me and what I wanted to pursue as my career. What's the theme? The theme of this story is self-discovery and how any random encounter can lead to you finding what you're passionate about and interested in pursuing in your future. Well, why should you care about any of this? While being stung by a jellyfish might not impact you in the same way it impacted me, any small random interaction can turn into the kind that you can think about forever. You can turn so many different interests and questions into lifelong pursuits and successful careers that might change your life for the better. Thank you so much for listening.